channel. It is Dede with Dede at Home, and this video is all about how I use aloe vera and some other oils to create a pre-poo for my hair. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dede, and on this channel it is a lifestyle, hair, and home decor channel. I give you a little bit of everything. Today's video is focused on natural hair. I do have fine 4C hair, so I know it is not one of the most video types of content here on YouTube, but I do want to bring you tips and tricks on how I care for my natural hair. And right now we are going to be going through a journey of using aloe vera in my hair to see how it can improve my hair. And so that's what this video is about today. I'm showing you how I start from beginning to end of how I create my aloe vera oil for pre-poo, and also how I put it on my hair as well. So if you're interested to see how I do that, go ahead and keep on watching.
So I just purchased this aloe vera plant from the grocery store. What do you see me here doing now is I just cut off the ends. I also don't use the other end as well, but I went ahead and cut them into chunks. Eventually I go back and cut them into smaller chunks, but just because, as you know, aloe vera is very slippery, and so it was a little bit harder to cut. So the reason why I wanted to go ahead and use aloe vera is because aloe vera has a lot of benefits that helps with natural hair. So some of the benefits are that it rejuvenates dry scalp and hair. It also relieves dandruff and itchy scalp, which is something that I suffer with. It also curbs hair fallout by strengthening the hair roots, stimulates hair growth, which is again one of the things that I'm looking to use aloe vera for. It also adds shine to your hair, which of course with natural hair, depending on the products that you use, it can make your hair look dry even when it's not. So I definitely hope that aloe vera will have my hair to look more shiny and vibrant. It also helps reduce scalp inflammation. So those of you that may suffer from different types of inflammation problems that come along with alopecia, you may want to check and start using aloe vera because it can soothe your scalp. And then lastly, again, it adds soft texture by reducing frizziness. So again, us naturals, you know, we suffer with frizzy hair, and so it also helps with that. So again, it has a lot of great benefits if you use it in your hair. So again, for this process, I'm using it as a pre-poo. So as you see, I've went ahead and cut all of the aloe vera up. The yellow part that you see, I've read that that is poisonous, so I just tried to make sure that it was not on the aloe vera as I was putting it in the blender. And then also you can see that I used amla oil, which also has a lot of great benefits as well for natural hair. Blender, just make sure that you always check to make sure that there are not any aloe vera chunks in there. So I do use a strainer to go ahead and strain the aloe vera, because if you get any of the chunks in your hair, it's very hard to get out, and you're constantly having to rewash your hair to get the chunks of aloe vera out. So I highly recommend using a strainer, and then if there are still product in it, then you can go ahead and blend it more than one time. But this is just the route that I go, and I do use a spoon to go ahead and kind of press out some of the aloe vera, but again, just making sure that there are no chunks and that it's just the aloe vera juice that comes out. So this is just the way that I do it. It's not the only way, but I did want to share.
as a pre-poo. This is the way that I use it. So in the video you can see I just did the aloe vera and then I added the amla oil. Sometime I'll add in additional types of oils as well. Like in this container when I started to put the stuff in here, it was actually a little bit of castor oil in here. So you could add that, you could add olive oil, you could add peppermint, you could add any other type of oil that you want to do, because again I'm using this as a pre-poo. There are other ways that you can actually add or use the aloe vera, and let me know if you want to see other ways that you can use it. I will make a video for that as well, but this is just typically how I decide to use the aloe vera right now. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just start drenching my hair with this aloe vera, and then I'll put a plastic cap on my hair, and I'll just kind of let it sit on as a pre-poo for a couple of hours. It really just depends on how much time I have in the day while I'm doing my hair, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it out. And today is a wash day, so I will be shampooing and conditioning my hair. I actually won't be including that in this video today, but I will link a video of me going ahead and doing my natural hair and styling it for you all. But if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment box and I'll be sure to answer them for you. It's going to leak everywhere, so you may want to put some sort of towel or something like that on your hair. But I just put the product on my hair and then I kind of just rake it through. So I have my hair actually divided into 4 sections, and making sure that all of my hair is saturated with the aloe vera. Again, making sure that I'm getting it all on my hair from roots all the way down to the ends. And then I'll just 2-strand twist it. My plastic bag. And put it on, and that's it. So video, you guys, this is how I use aloe vera oil on my hair, or how I use aloe vera and amla oil on my hair as a pre-poo. So thanks for tuning in to this video. I am going to be doing this for the next couple of months because I really think it's going to do some great things for my hair. So come along on this journey. I will be updating you guys on my natural hair journey. Again, I'm going to be doing different videos and else's. So if you have hair that's like mine, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me on this channel as I share tips and tricks on how to take care of fine 4C hair. See you guys in the next video. Bye.